Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I am colorful today. I'm wearing this rainbow shirt. It's actually for sale in my closet. Poshmark Q&A. I'm so glad it's Friday. Poshmark Q&A. I'm so glad it's Friday. Dun 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 dun. Okay, first question. Hi Vanessa. Oh, you sent me this comment a while ago. I'm just getting around to it. I'm sorry, Melissa. Hi Vanessa. For your next video, could you talk about regional A and B boxes? There's a bit of controversy about using these boxes on some of the Facebook groups that I'm in. So we are allowed to use these boxes. It says so on the bottom of the shipping label. The controversy is whether or not you still need to upgrade the shipping label for an order that's more than 5 pounds. Many people have successfully used these boxes without upgrading their shipping label, but others are saying to stop doing this because it's against Poshmark policy. It's also confusing because some people argue that they've talked to their postal workers and have had mixed answers about that. Anyways, I've been recommend it. Was I out of focus that whole time? I was like focusing on my phone, not my face, right? Sorry. I'll try to like keep it down. I've been recommending it to people myself because hey, if it works, it works. To add, these boxes hold up to 10 pounds regional A and 20 pounds regional B. Just FYI, thanks again. Okay, I got my way to Honey Boy. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, he's so hungry. Oh, he's so hungry. Okay, so, what was I just talking about? I always thought it was the label, not necessarily the box, that mattered. I know that, yes, you only are allowed to use certain boxes with Poshmark, but I thought it was the label. So yes, I feel like you do technically have to upgrade the label. It's crazy because I feel like every post office has their own friggin' rules because I don't know. I feel like I've seen, just like you said, some people have talked to their postal workers and they've gotten mixed opinions. That's definitely happened to me before with like multiple things. It's like one person says something, another person says the next. It's like, who do you believe? So I think technically you are supposed to upgrade the label. People have probably gotten away with it. I know I've gotten away with accidentally shipping a package that was over, was it 10 pounds? I think it was 10 pounds. I've gotten away with that. I did it accidentally. I didn't do it on purpose. So yeah, so I think technically you are supposed to upgrade the label, but again, you know, people can get away with it. People can get away with a lot of things, you know, but just to make it right, no. This little man, he's 4 months old today. My baby. Oh, he's so good. He literally is the perfect baby, and I'm not just saying that because he's my son. Hi Vanessa, I watch your videos on bots all the time, and the Grateful Queen just uploaded a video on Prime Lister. It says Poshmark bot. She says it's completely safe, but I don't want to lose my account if it is not. So I am actually not familiar with Prime Lister. They have emailed me a bunch of times asking if I wanted to do a sponsored video for them, but I have never replied, honestly. But yeah, I'm not really familiar with them. I think that they're just a third-party listing service. I don't think that they are like a sharing bot, but again, I don't know. I don't know who the Grateful Queen is. I'm gonna look her up. Next question, are you applying for the Poshmark grant? I really want to, but I am seeing more popular people apply for it, so I don't think that I have a chance. So if you don't know, Poshmark is doing this like contest thing where they are giving out grants to people. They're giving out $500 grants and $5,000 grants. I made a video talking all about this. I'll link it down below, but it won't be too helpful actually. Never mind. I'll just link their blog post down below because they've changed things since then. I don't know exactly what they've changed. I think they're doing it 4 times a year now. They're doing, like I said, $500 grants and $5,000 grants. I think they just lowered the amount of people that are going to be able to get the grants. I think that's what it is. Again, check out their blog post because they have all the info. First wave is open right now. They're doing spring, summer, fall, and winter. So you have 4 different chances to win it. Basically, you have to, I think, just fill out something on their website, and then you have to make a video, and then they choose people, I think. So as far as you not wanting to apply, that upsets me because I feel like the whole point of this is to help people that want to grow their Poshmark business. Like, you know, I don't feel like it's for people that are already thriving and doing amazing in their Poshmark business. And I've seen a few people apply that are already thriving and doing amazing, like 2 people in particular that are very popular. on Poshmark, and from what I've seen, you know, they sell like mainly designer shit, and you know, I think that they make a lot of money on Poshmark. So yeah, I don't think that's fair. I'm just gonna come out and say it. I don't think that that's fair that they're applying for it, because exactly like you said, like you feel like you don't have a chance because more popular people are applying for it, and that's just flat out not fair. It really isn't. As far as me applying for it, I am not. Don't get me wrong, you know, I'll take $5,000, but I don't know, I feel like there are more deserving people out there. And again, I don't think it's right that, you know, more popular people, hopefully, man, I don't know. I don't think it's going to look good if these people in particular that I'm thinking of, if they get it, like, no, like, yeah, because they have an in with Manish himself, and I don't know, that'll just be fucked up. Like, it really will be. And I'll be vocal about it too, because I don't know. I don't think that'll be right. It'll just look a little fishy. I'm gonna go now because my battery light is flashing and this video is long enough. What did I answer? Like 2 questions? 3 questions? Like, Look at my little man. You say hi? Say hi, my name is Nolan and I am the perfect baby and I sleep 10 to 11 hours every night. You guys, the other night he slept 8 hours. I'm like, oh, what is this? Not really, but you know. Look at, will you look up at the camera? Hello. Hello. Sir, I'm talking to you, sir. Hello. He's looking at his bottle. How about if we put that up there? Oh, there it is. He's like, where are you bringing that, mama? I want that back. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Am I recording? Oh, for some reason, I thought I didn't hit the record button, but I did. What else do we say? Oh, if you have any other questions, you can comment down below. I already said that. You can send me a DM on Instagram or you can tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So, merci. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this 2-question video. 2 or 3 questions? I don't even know, but I rambled. Hi. Are you guys smile? Are you guys smile? Are you confused with my red lips? He's like, oh, don't make a pouty face. It's mama. Big sigh. It's mama. Hi. I'm gonna get you. I don't think he likes my red lips, you guys. I really don't. I think I'm scaring my child. Hold on. We're gonna take it off and see if he recognizes me. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. There's that Zamaya. There he is. There's a big boy. Oh, there he is. My name is Nolan and I'm perfect. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, this baby. Okay, bye.